I am Dr. Arnold Bullock. I am the Alan and Edith L. Wolf Distinguished Professor of Urologic Surgery at Washington University in St. Louis, Missouri. I've decided to make a series of videos on my areas of clinical expertise. And with so many patients receiving so much of their medical information online, my hope is that I will have a few short series on my areas of interest, and they include erectile dysfunction, prostate cancer, male voiding dysfunction, i.e. benign prostatic hyperplasia and troubles urinating, and vasectomies. So in brief, I'm Dr. Arnold Bullock. I grew up in Washington, D.C., and graduated valedictorian of my high school, Mackin Catholic High School, which was actually located next to all of the world's embassies. I went to Georgetown University during my senior year of high school, and I was scheduled to go to Notre Dame for college. Unfortunately, my father got sick, and I finished my college career at Xavier University in New Orleans, where I received numerous awards, and most notably the Catherine Drexel Award for the graduate who most exemplified the founder's ideals. I left Xavier and went to the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine and graduated in good standings. During my years, I worked there with Dr. Patrick Walsh, and Patrick Walsh is the founder of the open nerve spring prostatectomy. Before Patrick Walsh, radical prostatectomies had nearly 100% rate of men losing their erections. I continue to do a fair number of open nerve spring prostatectomies. But at Washington University, I trained under Dr. William Catalona during my residency, and had done nearly 700 radical prostatectomies as a resident. We realized that we were taking out a lot of prostates, but that we did not have a specialist in treating the men who did develop erectile dysfunction. Therefore, I trained under the likes of Dr. Morgenstern in Atlanta and Dr. Steve Wilson in Arkansas in order to become a recognized specialist in erectile dysfunction and one of the top penile implanters in the United States. And so management of erectile dysfunction occupies at least 25–30% of my practice. I spend 25–30% of my practice on prostate cancer, and another third of my patients we're managing for male voiding dysfunction. I have 3 grown children located around the country. One works on airplanes, one is a high school math teacher, and the youngest is a lawyer in Manhattan. So I'm a very blessed man of faith, and I think I spend a fair amount of my time with patients such that we can address all of their problems. A very high satisfaction rate. So that's a little bit about me. If you want to reach me, I'm at Washington University in St. Louis. I'm Arnold Bullock, and I look forward to helping you with any urologic needs that I can. Thank you.